What's up, guys? Wild Whiskey Wolf back with another episode of ZX10R Mods, episode 2. Today we are going to talk about the Driven Racing Fuel Cap. For those of you who don't know about this series, ZX10R Mods, basically we're going over every mod on the 2019 ZX10R build we're doing here. So episode 1's already out. This is episode 2 right here. We have the Driven Racing Halo fuel cap, beautifully crafted, made in the USA. You can get it in, I believe, 5 or 6 different colors, which is cool. If you're getting this, just know that there are 2 things you will need to get: the base plate and the actual cap. They are not sold together. So the base plate is on the outside, the cap is this thing in the middle. Reasons that I like this mod: 1, when you're going to the gas station, you don't have to take your key out of the ignition or fumble around in your pockets and pull out another key just to change gas. That's time consuming, it's annoying, and it's really not necessary. So this mod eliminates the need to do that at all. Also, it is much lighter weight than the stock keyed fuel cap that comes with the bike. When you take out the stock fuel cap, if you do this mod, you will notice it is a considerable difference. You might think, oh yeah, it's not that much. It's actually a lot. This one's way lighter. Looks great. I mean, I love the all black. You can get it in like blue, red, silver, gold. Not sure what the other colors are, but I'm going to drop a link down in the description. So if you want this mod, you can go ahead and head over to Driven Racing, their website, and check out all the other colors. I went ahead and put a set of motorcycle gloves on just to show you all, how easy it is to operate when you're actually wearing your gear. Twist, comes off, set it back down, push down, twist, and it's on. Very easy to operate, much less of a hassle than pulling out a key every time you want to gas up. So that's the Driven Racing fuel cap. If you have any questions or comments about this mod, drop them down in the description, in the comment section below. Go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and stay tuned. I appreciate y'all.